Hi, this is Johanna, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt, #1 Chevy dealership in the state of Illinois. I got this young lady, Rhonda's got a beautiful 2015 Chevy Tahoe. How was your experience with Joe and Phillips Chevrolet?
My experience with Joe was awesome. He's an excellent salesman. He made the buying process painless. He's awesome.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you. Would you recommend Joe and Phillips Chevrolet to your friends and
I would
family?
most definitely recommend Joe at Phillips Chevrolet.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for the business. Come on and see Joe, Phillips Chevrolet.